Very good afternoon, children. So today's topic I want to discuss with you is the light reaction from chapter 4, photosynthesis in the higher plants. You can just remember yourself what is this light reaction, where did we see? This light reaction which is done in the chloroplast, it is nothing but the trapping of light energy to form ATP and NADPH. This light reaction is also called as the photochemical phase. Why this is called photochemical phase? Let us see, which includes the steps like absorption of light. After absorption of light, the water gets splits. That means the water is divided. H2O is divided as H2 plus O2. Now this O2, oxygen, will be released to form high energy chemical intermediates. Okay. Now whole this process is done by the complexes called light harvesting complexes, which is also called LHC, which includes photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, that is PS1 and PS2. I repeat again, light reaction is also called the photochemical phase, which includes some steps like absorption of light, then water gets splits after absorbing the light, then oxygen is released. Then this oxygen, after releasing of this oxygen, high energy chemical intermediates are formed. Then ATP and NADPH is formed. This is the final product of this light reaction. Now whole these steps or whole this process is done by the presence of complexes. These complexes are called light harvesting complex, which is called LHC, which includes photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. What are these light harvesting complexes? In the word itself you can understand complex. That means it includes many. What does it include? It includes pigment molecules, which is bound to the proteins. Okay, so when the pigment molecules which is bound to the proteins is called LHC, so the pigments are called as antennae. Okay, now this antennae will help to absorb more wavelength of the light. Okay, this antennae will help for the absorption of the light. Then the chlorophyll A, which forms the reaction center. Okay, so this water splitting, oxygen release, formation of high energy chemical intermediates, which is done in the reaction center. Now the reaction center is different in photosystems, that is photosystem 1 and 2. In photosystem 1, the reaction center, that is the chlorophyll A, has absorption peak at 700 nanometers, which is called P700. Okay, in PS2, absorption maxima is about 680 nanometers, which is also called P680. Because in this PS2, because the absorption is about 680 nanometers, it happens or it causes the electrons to become excited, and which moves to the orbit which is away from the atomic nucleus. Now these electrons, which are picked up by an electron acceptor, which passes them to electron transport system. I hope you understood. Because in PS2, the absorption maximum is about 600 nanometers. The electrons will get excited. Which moves to the orbit away from the atomic nucleus. Now these are of different electrons. Now this electron, which is nothing but the electron acceptor, we can say. Once the electrons which get excited and move away from atomic nucleus, those electrons are called electron acceptor. Okay, now which passes them to electron transport system. That's it. That is what you can see in this diagram. I told you, consisting of cytochromes. Now this is called the electron transport, children. Okay, this electron transport you can see very clearly. This is photosystem 2 and this is photosystem 1. You can see photosystem 2, where because of the wavelength is about 680 nanometers, this electron acceptor is formed as it is moving away from the atomic nucleus. Now these electrons will move to the electron transport system. Okay, this electron acceptor will move to electron transport system. Then it moves to LHC, that is the light harvesting complexes. then again which will move to the photosystem 1. From photosystem 2 it get down to the electron transport system, which is also called as the downhill. Okay, which is also called downhill. Now again it moves up. This is called uphill, moving to the photosystem 1. This is downhill and this is the uphill. So the light is being I'll just draw it with a sketch, then you can understand. LHC, then to this LHC. Okay, now this light is being attracted, okay, to LHC's complexes. Before that, what happens in the photosystem 2 and photosystem 1, electron acceptor is formed. Now this electron acceptor from the photosystem 2 will move to the electron transport system, releasing ATP to ADP, releasing ADP to ATP. Then it moves to the light harvesting complex, which will return again to the photosystem 1. This is called downhill and this is called uphill. Okay, at the final we need the end products, that is NADPH, which forms NADP. Okay, and this one is the other, what I said, the splitting of water. Okay, splitting of water, that is H2O, which releases to form 2 electrons where hydrogen plus oxygen. Okay, hydrogen plus oxygen is formed. Then again it moves to the LHC, light harvesting complex. Okay, so this is what done in the light reaction, children. So the movement of electrons from phosphatide 2, that is P700, is downhill in terms of an oxidation reduction or the reduction potential scale. So the whole setup is reduction potential scale or oxidation reduction. Okay, the whole setup or the process is called. Okay, children, this is a very small or a small topic just to understand what is happening about the light reaction. You can understand.